nail friends, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to create some custom acrylic mixes for you guys. Let me show you some that I already made. So I already made this one. Then I already made this one. And a few others, so we're going to get started. I have these empty pots I got from Amazon. So I'm going to open that up. And the first color I'm going to do is purple. So I have this purple glitter here. So I take it and I just pour it straight in there. Okay. And then I also want to add into that some of this purple holographic glitter. So I add that. And then the rest of that, I'm just going to add clear. So I have a little scoop here to help me. And this is candy cover clear. This is S&M nail candy. So I'm just going to grab a big thing of clear, pour it in there. And we can always alter it. If I need more clear or less clear. So I'm going to start with that, close that up. And then close this up. And then you basically just shake it, give it a really good shake. And then after that, you open it up. And you see, and then I'm gonna grab S&M nail candy monomer. Little brush here. Wet my brush. Okay, I'm gonna tap in there. You guys can see that. Really pretty. So, just gonna put this onto my brush, onto the back of my container here. And you guys can see that's really pretty. This is like a, let me close up my monomer here. This is like a purple holographic glitter. It's really, really pretty. So I love that one. So I did that one. Let me mix together another one. This one I'm going to do, let me see. I think this one I want to use a white base. This one I think I'm going to use a white base. Well, you know what, a pink. Yeah, a pink. So I have this pink from S&M Nail Candy Cover Pink. I'm gonna take the same scoop here, scoop it up, pour it in. Scoop it up, pour it in. Close that. Then I'm gonna grab some glitters. I am gonna grab some of these pink glitters. And I have a haul coming up. I got these from AliExpress. Okay. And then I'm gonna grab some fine white glitter. I'm gonna get from here. This is from Michael's. Pour some in there. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix that together. Let me just add a little bit more clear. That should be good. So I'm gonna take it, mix it, close it up really, really well. Mix it together. You guys can see here, see how it's mixing? So mix it together really, really well. Then I'm going to open this up. Let's see what this looks like. So let me grab my brush. Where did I put it? Just 1 second, guys. Okay, I'll just use a different brush. That's okay. So let me see here. I'm going to grab my monomer. stick my brush in. Okay. And then I'm gonna pick up some color. Ooh, this is really pretty. Let's see if I can get a better swatch for you guys. Yeah, that's much better. Oop, it fell in there. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Let me just swatch this for you. And this color is very pretty. I may want to add some more pink to it, but let me see. You guys can see that? So that's that one. And then let me make here another one. So with this one, I'm going to make a gold. So this is a new acrylic I got. I'll be doing a haul soon from S&M Nail Candy. So I'm gonna add some of this in here. Nice amount of that. And then to that, I'm gonna add a lot of these, these are little hexies that I got from Michael's. And I'm gonna add all of these in here. So I'm just gonna open up this bag here. Let me grab some scissors to open up this bag. Scissors. Okay. So I have some scissors opening up this here, and I'm going to add this in. Okay, here we go. So I'm adding in these, all these. Okay, that's enough. I'm going to put this back in the bag here. And then I'm gonna mix this together. I don't know if I'm gonna add fine glitter or not. Mix this together. You know, I also have another glitter I wanna add in here. This glitter, where is it? It is this one. Well, I don't know if I wanna add, because this is a holographic glitter. You guys can see here, and I don't know if I want to make that holographic. Maybe I'll just add some fine glitter in there. So this is like a rose gold kind of fine glitter. I'll add a little bit of that. Okay. So now I'm going to close this up. Make sure you close it well. I'm going to shake it. And then we are going to see here. Here it is. I'm going to grab my brush, my monomer, and we are going to swatch it. So let's see here. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Look. Really, really pretty. So get it on the lid here. This is really, really pretty. And I may add just a little bit more clear in here. Just add a little bit more clear in there. Okay. And that is it for that color. Really, really pretty color. And then I'll do one more. And that's it. Let me see which color I want to do. I'll do, I will do, I have a thermal pink that I haven't tried yet, but I think that that's it for now. I'll show you guys everything together, and if you guys want, tell me and I'll do more of these for you guys. So I have these two. Just let me know. I can always do more. We also have this purple one here. And there's actually one more I want to do. I want to use this. Let me grab another container. I want to use this one here. I really want to use these flakes. These are these flakes. I really want to use those. So I'm going to grab a nice scoop of these, put them in here. Maybe a little bit less, because these are kind of, okay. So like that. And then I'm going to add a lot of this fine white glitter. And then I'm going to add into that, maybe some of this, maybe, let me see. I know which color. I'm going to use this Excite Me color from Valentino. So I'm adding some of this in here. Okay, and that should be good. A little bit more. And then there's, let me see how it looks, but I may want to add in one more color to that. So I'm going to close this. Close it, make sure that it's closed well so that when you shake it, not all the colors come flying everywhere. So I'm mixing this together really, really well. And then I'm going to show you guys this one. So let me grab my brush that I keep on misplacing. Okay, so I have my brush, and I do think I'm gonna add more to this, but let's see how it goes. So I got my brush, dipping it in, picking it up. Oh, this is so pretty. This is really, really pretty. I don't know, I may add more. This is like the Mylar Flake one. So there it is. And I'm going to show you guys the other ones that I did. And that is it for today. So here's the other ones that I did earlier. This one. And this is messy, you guys, but it's really fun. So that is it for today, you guys. I'll put these all so you guys can see them. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.